Don't walk. Weld. The days of cluttered cables and multiple trips to get the job done are over. Industry-exclusive Arc Reach technology will revolutionize the way you set up and manage welding on your job sites, so you can get more work done and help keep your weld operators safe. Arc Reach technology is designed to make operators more productive so your projects stay on schedule. And when operators spend less time walking and more time welding, there's less chance they'll slip, trip, or fall, minimizing the risk of job site injuries. Arc Reach technology starts with increased productivity. This means you can make the most of your skilled weld operators, a scarce commodity in today's labor market. When you utilize Arc Reach technology and capitalize on its full benefits, you gain a competitive advantage by managing smarter job sites. An Arc Reach compatible power source, like select Miller engine drives and our new XMT 350 FieldPro, lets operators make parameter adjustments right at the weld joint using an Arc Reach feeder or remote. That means less walking to and from the power source and more welding to maximize productivity. It also means higher weld quality, because there's no need to use less than ideal settings to avoid time-consuming walks back to the power source. Arc Reach technology allows the power source and the Arc Reach feeder or remote to communicate through weld cables, with no need for easily damaged and expensive to replace control cords. Operators no longer need to compensate for lengthy weld cable voltage drops either. Industry-exclusive cable length compensation, available on our new XMT 350 FieldPro products, does it automatically. So the voltage you set is the voltage you get at the feeder or remote, even with weld cables that are hundreds of feet long. Our enhanced Arc Reach suitcase feeders have been extensively field-proven, so you get reliable operation with accurate and precise feeding capabilities. You can also avoid costly damage on demanding job sites with durable, impact-resistant cases. The Arc Reach Smart Feeder supports advanced wire processes like regulated metal deposition, or RMD, and pulsed MIG, offering impressive productivity and efficiency benefits compared to traditional welding processes. Operators can also get the same Arc Reach benefits using the Stick-TIG remote accessory when using these welding processes. Operators can even make weld parameter changes while the arc is on. Adjust while welding, and industry-exclusive technology available on new XMT 350 FieldPro systems makes it possible. Arc Reach technology automatically locks out power source controls when a compatible feeder or remote is connected. This prevents inadvertent parameter changes on welding machines that may be clustered together on a busy job site, eliminating mistakes that can lead to defects and rework. Removing the Arc Reach accessory automatically restores the power source to its prior settings, making it easier to return to a previous weld process. It's time to reinvent your workday. Don't walk, weld. Enhance your productivity, efficiency, and safety with Arc Reach technology. Only from Miller.